Hello, today in this video I'm going to discuss whether the health effects of kidney beans that has a very high level of iron might influenced by person's genetic characteristic and if it affects gut microbiome. Firstly, iron plays a very important role in our body health, including delivery of oxygen, electron transport, and other health benefits. There is a two type of iron, heme iron which mostly comes from animal products, while other type is non-heme iron which is and mostly comes from plant products, which is also has a low bioavailability and some other food component might affect its absorption. Kidney beans is a good sources of iron and good sources of fiber and protein too. And it's good for our vessels too. But another component in kidney, which is polyphenols, might affect iron absorption. And because iron is so important for our health, and we said before, and iron deficiency or anemia is widely disorders, scientists start to develop strategy to improve the quality of crepes and improve our absorption. There is also another factor affect iron level in our body, like genes. We all know our body has a huge number of genes. One of these genes is believed to affect iron level by affecting the hepcidin level in our body, which is the key regulator of iron absorption. Finding of recent study in human indicated that variation of this gene was associated with a low level of iron. And they believe the reason comes from the role of specific protein that induced by this gene and its role inhibit the expression of hepcidin, while another study found opposite results in patients with iron deficiency anemia, and they found this variation of gene didn't affect the level of hepcidin. Other study believed that this variation could affect the iron status, but iron intake had more significant association with iron status, which means if you have this variation of this specific gene, you might have a high risk to develop iron deficiency. Compare like other people who might not have this variation. In looking on how iron fortification food could affect gut microbiome, a lot of studies have been done by researchers. But the mechanism of how iron could affect the gut microbiome is not clear yet. Evidence of research found that in most cases iron fortification food led to change in gut microbiome, and in most studies was also associated with inducing resistant inflammatory. That's why some studies suggested that adding antioxidants like vitamin E plus iron might be more useful. From all these results, iron in kidney beans could be relevant to genes and gut microbiome, but more study and evidence should be considered. By studying large population and make the absorption of study time more longer. Thank you for listening.